what's up everybody, it's your boy JRE, and right now we're about to check out HYOLYN No Thanks. Now I saw teasers of this. I know she's like on like, she's in water. Or something like she's dancing on top of water. No, like on a platform on top of water. I don't know. Anyways, we need to get into this. No dilly dallies are over here. What does that mean, Dre? I don't know really. Just like fluff, I guess. Let's get into this. Let's go. Let's begin. Play my intro. Alright, I guess they don't have captions, but I'm still down to check this out either way. HYOLYN, what's gonna stop me? Captions? No, I'm still gonna enjoy it. No thanks, let's go. Ice? Wait, icy up in... Ooh. Okay, thighs though. No thanks. No thanks. Okay, dancers, let's go. Ooh. Where you going with this? Ooh, where everybody at? She did it. I'm surprised that ice block did not melt, cause she's too hot right now. I swear to God, she's always been hot. Damn, she flexible. Damn. Okay, HYOLYN. Get it, get it. Oh, this is where it was in the teaser. No thanks. No thanks, no thanks, no thanks. Sometimes you gotta say no thanks, you know what I'm saying? Say no, but just say no thanks. Ooh, shake it, shake it. Hey, hey, hey. Ooh, okay, HYOLYN. She said, I still make summer bops. Always been, always done, iconic. Let's go, let's go. Hey, hey. Get it? What we doing? I just wanna, you know, her version is better, obviously. But. I just wanna. Ooh. Okay, that was hot. The little, no thanks. No thanks. Hey, 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 hey. No thanks. No thanks. No thanks. No thanks. Girl, girl. Oh, we change it up, Oh, and white hat, New York Yankee hat and everything. Hey, hey, hey. Ooh, she hitting it. Drop it. Oh, freestyle with it, twerk with it, ayy. Get it, HYOLYN, get it, ayy. I love little dance breaks, I'm not gonna lie. What? Freak? She said freak me? Oh, free me. I thought she said freak me. Oh my God, girl. I'm like, girl. Okay, she's back to me. Get it. Hey, hey. Ooh, with the body roll? Dope, I bet. Hey, hey, hey. At the end she said, give me your attention. Yes, ma'am. Comments down below what you guys think of HYOLYN's No Thanks MV and song as well. I mean, yeah, to be honest, for me, I'm a fan of HYOLYN. But she always comes through to me, whether it be music video and song. She just, even performance. I watched her on Queendom. She ruled that in, she already know. How can you say no thanks to her though? You can't. Alright y'all, like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it, it might just come true. Ooh, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey! you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an ex, so that joint is old school. I'm in it like swimwear.